Welcome to our educational journey on reducing snoring through simple yet effective exercises. Snoring can be more than just a nighttime nuisance. It can affect your sleep quality and overall health. Today, we'll explore a series of exercises designed to strengthen your throat and tongue muscles, helping you breathe easier and sleep better. Let's start with the basics. Snoring often occurs when the muscles in your throat relax too much during sleep, causing the airway to narrow or even collapse. But don't worry, with the right exercises, you can tone these muscles and reduce snoring. First up, the tongue stretch. Stick out your tongue as far as you can, then move it to the left and hold for a few seconds, then to the right. This simple exercise helps strengthen your tongue muscles, making it less likely for your airway to collapse. Next, the mouth closure exercise. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth and slide it backward. Repeat this several times a day. This exercise targets the muscles that control airflow, helping to keep your airway open. Now, let's incorporate some breathing techniques. Anulom Vilom, or alternate nostril breathing, is a powerful way to clear nasal congestion and improve oxygen flow. By calming the nervous system, this practice can significantly reduce snoring. Another effective breathing technique is Bhramari Pranayama, or bee breathing. During exhalation, make a humming sound. This not only strengthens the throat muscles, but also relieves tension, opening up the airways. Moving on to yoga poses, Bhujangasana, or cobra pose, is excellent for strengthening the chest muscles and improving lung capacity. By opening up the lungs, this pose enhances breathing efficiency. Setu Bandhasana, or bridge pose, is another great option. It opens up the chest and improves airflow, which can help reduce snoring. For a deeper stretch, try Ustrasana, or camel pose. This backbend opens up the respiratory system, improving airflow through the throat and lungs. Simhasana, or lion's pose, involves stretching the muscles of the face, mouth, and throat. This pose helps reduce snoring by strengthening these areas. Don't forget about the jaw sliding exercise. Open your mouth slightly, move your jaw to one side, hold for a few seconds, and repeat on the other side. This strengthens the muscles around the jaw and throat. Lastly, the chewing mimic exercise. Close your mouth and mimic the action of chewing. This simple exercise helps tone the muscles around your jaw and throat. The benefits of these practices are numerous. They improve muscle tone in the throat and soft palate, open nasal passages for better airflow, and reduce the chances of airway collapse during sleep. However, if snoring persists despite these exercises and lifestyle changes, it may be helpful to consult a doctor to rule out more serious conditions like obstructive sleep apnea. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better sleep and health. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to quieter, more restful nights. Stay healthy and sleep well.